If you love a modern design, but don't like the maintenance that usually comes with it, this townhome might be the perfect match. No yard work, no renovations, just an easy, low maintenance lifestyle that still feels stylish and elevated. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida, where I go all around the Sunshine State looking for the best opportunities for you. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, your vacation home, or a place to retire. And today we are in Apopka, Florida. Apopka, Florida is one of Central Florida's fastest growing areas. You're surrounded by great schools, nature, and tons of growth. You have new construction communities just like this one, booming everywhere. And new developments such as Wyld Oaks. Wyld Oaks is going to be a master plan community that integrates nature, entertainment, and residential living. Apopka, Florida gives you a small town charm, but with its quick access to Orlando, this is why buyers are making the move. You're only 30 minutes to downtown Orlando, 35 minutes to the theme parks, and locally, you're gonna have everyday essentials minutes away. And today, I'm gonna be touring the Catalina 2. This is gonna be a model townhome here in the Meadowlark community by Mattamy Homes. Let's get started. Upon entering this townhome, you are greeted with an expansive floor plan. Now, this home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and sitting at almost 1,700 square feet. As you can see, the living room is very expansive, so spacious, and a perfect place to gather. You have your television up on this wall, but tons of flexibility to move furniture around. From the living room, you're also going to be greeted with your dining and kitchen area. So if you like to host holidays, if you like to have friends over for the weekend, this is the perfect layout. As you can see, this dining table sits 4, but you have extra seating here in the countertop. This kitchen has all the bells and whistles. As you can see, you have 42-inch shaker style cabinets, but it has a really nice, sleek, modern look as well. You have stainless steel appliances that come with this home, and plus tons of upgrades. This model home shows all the upgrades this builder has to offer. This kitchen is perfect for storage and for prepping with all the room. Now, you're also gonna have your walk-in pantry, and then towards the back, this is gonna be your entrance to your 2-car garage. Now, your powder room is going to be on the first floor. So if you're hosting, this is the perfect convenience for your guests. As you can see that they've done a really nice stylish tile in here, but it has everything you need. You have a sink and you have a toilet. Before we head upstairs, a really nice feature is that you have this little nook tucked away. If you wanted to add some frames, storage, you have a little corner there for flexibility. Now let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. Upstairs, you're gonna have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and your laundry unit. Now let's go take a look at the first bedroom. The first bedroom offers a lot of space for comfort. As you can see, in the model home, they've put carpet in all of the bedrooms. Like I said earlier, this model has all the bells and whistles. So if you wanted to upgrade from carpet to flooring, you're definitely able to do that. You have a big window here that overlooks to the community and a built-in closet over here on the corner. From this bedroom, you're also gonna have a linen closet right across. Very convenient for laundry, storage, toiletries, all your storage needs. Now down this hall, we're gonna have another bedroom, equally as spacious. As you can see, this model had a full bed placed here. So if you have a young adult, if you have little kids, you have a lot of room. You also have another window facing the community and a built-in closet as well. Now down the hall, you're gonna have your first shared bathroom. This shared bathroom offers a dual tub and shower, but as you can see, you have a really nice marble look porcelain tile that's placed on the floor and a quartz countertop for the vanities. You have a double sink vanity here and a really nice window that brings in a lot of natural light when you're getting ready. Before we check out the other bedrooms, behind this door, you're gonna have your AC unit as well. Now, around the corner, down the hall, you're gonna have your washer and dryer closet. And as you can see, the builder even placed cabinets right above to show you what you have the potential of doing. We're gonna look at the third bedroom before we take a look at the primary. Stepping into this bedroom, if you needed an office space, if you needed a playroom, this townhome has 4 bedrooms, so you can utilize this space however you need. Another built-in closet there, which is very spacious, and another window like we saw earlier, brings in a lot of natural light. Now, this is the best for last. We're gonna be stepping into the primary bedroom and a luxurious primary bath. The first thing you see is that you have an expansive walk-in closet. And a really cool feature is that you already have a smart home system right over here. This closet is so expansive, and as you can see, you already have metal shelves perfect for you. Now through the closet, you're also gonna have your bedroom. Now, a lot of space for a king bed, California king. This primary bedroom is very spacious. You can see that you have a beautiful double pane window that brings in the ultimate natural light, but it still feels very comfortable to rest at the end of the day. Now in front of the bed, you're also gonna have straight access to your primary bathroom. And this one is beautiful. You have a sleek shower here that has an amazing tile that goes all the way up. You have brushed finishes, which really adds an elevated touch as well. You have dual vanities with a soft closed cabinetry. And lastly, you're gonna have your private toilet tucked away to the side. Now that wraps up our interior. Let's go downstairs and finish the tour. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's home tour, please feel free to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. We just toured a newly built townhome here in Apopka, Florida that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and sitting at almost 1,700 square feet. The price of this home is starting at $335,000. And with the builder offering closing cost incentives, a rate buy down, and a price reduction, this is the perfect opportunity for first-time home buyers. Again, I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to move to Orlando, Ocala, Apopka, or anywhere in between, you can find my contact in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.